You guys, look at all the drinks that my girls packed for me. Like, even things I cannot even drink right now. Like, all the alcohol in the world. So that after I drop this baby, I'll start drinking. Because what are all these drinks? Jesus Christ. Look at the big bag. Where do we begin? Let me give some to my mom first, I beg. Give me busy. Nice one.
I will drink.
You go drink what?
I will drink.
Oh my God, it's a lot. What? Wow, will. So let me put some.
I will drink in a very nice way.
Radler and some fair enough. You're drinking what?
In a nice way.
Oh, this Enos ice is so cold.
I know this are easy.
Yeah.
I know your daughter too likes malt.
Malt, yes. I'll leave some for me. Oh wow, this is really long. Oh, it's one of my favorites. Like.
Ser det som ett alltid det jag vill wifa. De här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. På det jag lägger all min tid. Jag vill ha det. Du får mig känna safety. Jag kan nog leda baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Jag vet det bara life om igen. Jag vet det bara ta sin tid. Jag vet det bara life om igen. Stay with me please. Jag vet det bara life om igen. Jag vet det bara ta sin tid. Jag vet det bara life om igen. Stay with me please. Du lägger till, du är där för mig. Jag svär mitt liv kretsar runt dig baby. Du bär på mina bebek så att när jag visionerar vår framtid. Låt mig hålla dig baby. Hey,
If there is anybody that makes the best pap in the history of pap, is my husband. Like, his technique for making pap. Abba, come on. Hey, see this? It can never be me. Like, it can never be me. Again in Afio. See pap now. Pap will go Harvard. Hey. Oh my God, babe. I can never make pap to be that flawless. How do you do it?
I don't know.
As in,
I let the water boil more than that.
Babe, even if I leave water boil, even if I use boiling water that is even beyond boiling temperature. You guys, I can never make pap like this. Like, it will either be runny and I have to put it back on the fire and allow the fire cook it but my husband makes like pap and custard one time, like without any hassle. Hey, now wow. You take this one, right? Thanks, baby. I can never make pap to be this. What? Ha, Omo. You guys, have you ever seen where a man is making pap much better than a woman? Because that's my husband. Like, he makes pap and custard so well. One time.
Custard is easy.
Custard is easier, but pap. Hey. The talent. The talent. Don't be small talent though. Like when the talent coming with that, I mean.
You don't have any failures.
As in that you learn the hard way, you know. Shouldn't be too runny.
Yeah, it's too runny. It should be a little
yeah, I feel like it's from the mixture of the actual pap.
Both the mixture and your water.
And the water you use.
When it's boiling, it really starts boiling. Don't just turn it immediately.
Hey, See chef advice.
An extra 1 minute or 2.
See this one. Where did this one fall out from? Hello.
I was calling you downstairs.
I wasn't hearing you now.
I was calling you right here.
I wasn't hearing. I'm sorry, baby.
And I was calling you.
Oh, sorry, baby girl. I'm so sorry. I didn't hear you. How are you, darling? You alright?
Sorry.
Hi. Hi guys, it's Saturday, a very hot Saturday, and me and I just got somewhere. We just got to Clubhouse. Anybody that hears her would think she has been here before. I have been here numerous times, but I think this is her first time here. I brought her on a play date, meeting up with Tochi of Earth's Child and her kids. So they're having a play date with me today. And that's why we're here. Are you excited? Yeah. This one just likes to go out. I told her, come and be going out now. Because once this baby comes for like some months, I don't have the energy to take you anywhere. Okay? So let's go have some fun. Are you excited? Yes. Hi guys. So it is Mother's Day. You guys know that every year we have like 3 or 4 Mother's Day celebrations, like, which is crazy, but it's the first Mother's Day and I want to surprise my mom with a gift from a brand that I have been working with for the past 1 year now, to be honest. It's just an opportunity for me to like appreciate my mom. You know, you guys, our mothers are everything. I mean, if you are a mom, you are everything to your children, and to me, my mom is still my everything. Okay, so I actually want to go and surprise her with a gift from Fab Feet Fashions. And I've spoken about this brand so much on the vlog, like so many times on the vlog. If you follow me on Instagram, I always talk about Fab Feet Fashions. So I want to go and surprise Momsy with this gift, and I really cannot wait to see her reaction. But let me show you guys what exactly I am gifting her. So this is what we are gifting Mom for Mother's Day. Nice card from Fab Feet Fashions. We have a dust bag for the shoes in question, and these are the shoes. This is what we are gifting Momsy. My mom is turning 60 this year, but I know that she can still wear something like this. It's not so high, to be honest. Why I love shoes from Fab Feet Fashions is because they are extra comfortable. I've been wearing them a lot, like throughout my pregnancy. They are extra comfortable, like no stress, no hassle. And these heels are chicken change. Okay, these heels are a small fish to fry for my mom, basically. So super excited about this, and I cannot wait to show you guys her reaction. And we're heading there now in a bit. So yeah, let's go.
Just,
I said your red is fine.
Thank you.
I have a gift for you from Fab Feet Fashions. It's Mother's Day now, so.
Fab Feet. Femininity meets
functionality. There you go. Let me see. Hey! Hey! Okay, Mama. So Fab Fit, they said you should give this to your mommy.
Yes, now.
Oh.
Happy Mother's Day.
Oh. Fab Fit.
Yeah.
Oh. Fab Fit.
Fab Fit.
Femininity meets functionality.
Come on.
Fab Fit. I appreciate this.
Yeah.
I appreciate this. Thank you so much.
Oh,
thank you. Thank you, thank you, and thank you indeed. Thank you very much. Happy Mother's Day. In fact, yesterday that we celebrated International Women's Day.
Yeah.
Happy International Women's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
We thank God for the gift of motherhood. Thank you so much, Fab Fit. Let me wear it.
And I have to wear it now. Let's see how it looks.
Hey, this is.
Is it like this is?
Oh,
that's so pretty.
Oh,
wow.
Oh,
I love it. I love it.
Then go feel it. Then go run it down. Then go. Oh, thank you so much, Fafi. This is so lovely.
So pretty.
Oh, this is lovely. And it's wedge.
And it's and it's very comfortable.
Very comfortable. I can even run with it.
Okay. And you like the color? Yeah,
yes, I like the color.
You like the color?
Oh, this is nice.
So guys, I just came out of the salon. I got my nails done. I am in my blue era right now, to be honest, so everything I'm doing these days is on a blue level basically. But I really love these nails, my go-to short nails, and yeah, I really love this. I really like it.